Alright, here's where I'm at. Got my big fat wheel spacers. I got the lower tabs welded on, so I had to grind two of the tabs down quite a bit to account for the axle being larger at the end than it is in the middle. So I'm mounting these as far out as possible, since I'm on the outside of the frame, give me as much clearance here. Cut off the leaf spring pads. I was gonna leave them on just in case I chicken out on this and just throw leaf springs on it, but no turning back now. And the frame mount fully welded. These are the Jeep JL rear lower control arms, and this is a bracket that I modified from Barnes 4-wheel drive. Pretty much full droop. Drive shaft pretty much binds up any lower than that, so I was gonna get a spacer. Maybe I'll just extend the drive shaft and that'll give me a little more travel. It'll be like 6.5, 7 inches of travel with it how it sits. These curved control arms are pretty cool.